Hello, welcome to Spec Motors. Well, what do we have today? Yeah. Where do I start? Let's start with the base model of the car. It's a 2019 Mini John Cooper WEX with the 2-litre turbo. Car's just under 34,000 miles. And the last owner did this. It looks stunning. It looks fantastic. Proper show car. Wait till you see the inside. We'll have a walk around. Obviously, we'll go from the front. Like I said, it is a 2019, but the number plate comes with the car. John Cooper WEX. The number 13 is basically the last customer's lucky a number. Not lucky for some, but obviously we're looking for the last customer, hence the big 13 on the door. Upgraded alloy wheels. Customer said they were about £1,500. Lovely Oz, nice Oz wheels. All the wheels are unmarked. Tyres are good. We've also got, was it about £5,000 worth of extras from factory, which is the navigation pack and the comfort pack being the main ones. So we've got the wrapping of the roof, checker flag. We've got the signature John Cooper WEX. I mean, you know, where do we start? Where do we finish? Of racing decals. We've got the smoke fog Union Jack rear lights. Lovely twin exhaust. At this point, I will say that it has a stage 1 remap. The customer did say it's taking it up to just short of 300 brake horse. I've driven the car. It is nice and quick. Got a nice little sound as well. I mean, obviously all these can be taken off, but you know, the car looks great. A rear spoiler. This inside the boot with all these mats. Oh. The car is in excellent condition as well. Can't see any marks, scratches, no dents. Like I said, the wheels, Airfish Conway 8th edition. Last customer we went down to the John Cooper WEX, door protectors, the wind mirror caps. Yeah, it's a nice colour as well. Really, really stands out. Yeah, well smart. So let's have a look inside. So, well, the inside is just as good as the outside. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. In here, obviously, you've got the leather seats, which is your comfort pack. Lovely condition as well. There's no wear on it. We've got to do with 34,000 miles. Just while we're on that, it has got proof for 4 services, so this is all serviced up today. Obviously, it's an automatic. It's got your sport. Obviously, that's your navigation pack, which is built in. I mean, where do we go? I mean, it's decaled up really, really nice in here, and the red really, really suits it. Like I said, it's a show car for a car shows, or just use it. But yeah, what a nice thing. Don't think them back seats have been sat in, but storage there. Everywhere you look has been, it's been professionally done as well. Really, really nice. Let's fire up. Even down to the key. I don't know if you can see this, but even down to the key, you can hang your key there. Obviously, it's got 2 keys. Aircon's lovely and cold. Yeah. How do I like to finish job? It's not the type of car we're not making to get in. We like our performance cars here at Ben Marks Motors. So this is the best of both worlds, really. It's a performance car. It's a cracking looking car. It's ready to show. So now available at Ben Marks, 19,995. Obviously comes with 12 months with a warranty, and I will put with a lovely clean full MOT. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like our Cooper Works Mini.